So here's a wig I have from Eva's Wigs. I cut it into a curly bob, but in this video I'm going to show you how I'm transforming it. I'm going to use some straightening tools. This is a straightening brush. I'm going to use the Tresemme heat tamer, and I'm going to use my trusty flat irons, and we're going to get started. So yes, starting off with the heat protectant by Tresemme. I've had this for a while. One of my favorite heat protectants to use even on my own hair, but I usually use it mostly on wigs. And as you can see, this is a kinky curly wig. It was cut into a bob, and I'm actually going to straighten it. So I'm starting off using this straightening brush that I got from Duvel, and then taking sections of it, and I'm going to use the comb chasing method to straighten it. So just straightening at the root or the base of the lace wig, because this is a full lace wig, and just doing the comb chasing method. I like to work in sections, smaller sections, so it makes it a lot easier to work with. If you're going to do this with any wig that you have that is curling, you want to transform it into that, please have some patience with yourselves, because this did take some time for me to complete. Took me about an hour and a half just to straighten this wig completely out. Alright, so now that it's completely straightened, I am going to clean up this cut. It was cut into a bob as a curly wig, and this just goes to show how very well the cut actually worked out. I only had to clean it up. So in this case, how I'm cleaning it up is I'm doing more of a blunt cut. In some areas I actually do a vertical cut, like clipping into the ends to kind of thin it out a little bit. But I stopped doing that after I started getting to the back of the wig, because I was just more concerned about making sure the shape was very even. So I just continued the blunt cut, and then you'll see what I'm going to do from here. So after I was pretty sure the shape was complete, I started focusing on the bang. This is the side part, so I used a blade, a straight razor, to actually feather down and kind of shape the angle of the bangs in the front. Oh, and by the way, this is the same blade I just put a comb on top of it, and this helps me to thin out the ends so that the wig can have some flow to it and not feel so stiff, because the texture of the hair is pretty much coarser hair. So just so I can thin out the ends and give it a little bit more shape at the end, I just used a thinning comb with the blade, and then using my favorite flat irons, to just bump this wig out, and let's see what the results show us. So there you are, a completely transformed wig. This was sent to a client that purchased it. They were very pleased and very happy with it and the transformation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my website. I have all wigs on sale right now, all the way until the end of September. And not to mention, if you don't know, I do wig making classes, so check out wigmaking101.com. I have monthly plans that you can subscribe to, so you'll have access to all of the videos, or you can just pay full tuition for all of the videos or just specific modules in mine. Other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video.